So, look what came already. This is my Polymer Week Advent Calendar. I'm going to show it to you. Lucy, you sure do pack well. Okay, here we go. I'm going to put this card here. You can read the card here by stopping the screen. Be sure to visit the 2025 Facebook group. This slides out. There it is. Oh man, I can't show you what's in each drawer, but what I can do, each drawer has a project, and each drawer has a code in it that you scan, and it'll take you to a tutorial for those supplies. I can show you last year. Here's one of the drawers that I didn't get to yet. Where's the card? Oh, here it is. Here's the project. There are pins. Very nice. By Marina Andre. And there's 5 bars of clay. And one of Lucy's texture stamps. It's a 2-piece stamp, an in and an out. Same stamp twice, but different pattern, different reliefs. And then here's another one I didn't get to. This is a pendant made with polymer clay. And in that box came Fimo gloss varnish, a block of Fimo silver effect, Fimo white, fuchsia pigment powder, and teal pigment powder. So that's what you can look like. And you just scan these codes, and it'll take you right to the tutorial. I have to wait till Christmas starts, the first day of Christmas, before I make anything. Oh, and you can get these at polymerweek.com, and they are coming quite fast. They get shipped from the Czech Republic, and they get here quite fast. But order early before they run out, because there's only so many of them. I love it when Christmas starts early. And here's a quick look at the projects that you'll get supplies and tutorials for in the box. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to order early at polymerweek.com.